After completing repairs to the boat's electrical system, we depart Marina Bay at midday for Scituate Harbor, a short sail of about 30 miles, entering the harbor in the midst of a thunderstorm. Departing from Scituate, we sail south on Cape Cod Bay and enter the Cape Cod Canal at 13:20 hours, going with the west-flowing tide. We stop for the night at Red Brook Harbor, just past the west end of the canal, taking a mooring at Kingman Boat Yard. A fine day sailed down Buzzards Bay from Red Brook Harbor to Newport Rhode Island, where we race the 12-meter boat Weatherly into the harbor and take a town mooring just off the tip of Goat Island in Newport Harbor. Oh, wow. See that lightning? Beautiful. We departed Scituate about 8:30, not wanting to get going too early because we needed to be at the east entrance to the Cape Cod Canal by about 1300 hours to go through with the west-flowing tide. Our timing was near perfect and we enjoyed an easy passage through the canal busy with summer traffic. Once on the east or Buzzards Bay side, we inched our way into Red Brook Harbor. It has a fairly tricky entrance, and took a mooring at Kingman Boat Yard, enjoying a refreshing swim and quiet night. Up why they call it Buzzards Bay. The forecast for the 4th of August was for wind from the northeast 10 to 15 knots. It proved to be correct and the wind filled in by about 9 o'clock, allowing us to sail wing on wing down Buzzards Bay towards Newport. You can see it breaking there?
Oh, I think it's under the water.
Oh yeah, right. Oh yeah, I thought that was a boat. There's a wreck there too.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. As we swung north and into the outer harbor's entrance, we encountered the 12-meter boat Weatherly sailing the same course as we were. It was a fantastic end to the day's sailing, having the 12 beside us, seemingly racing us into the harbor.
Well, this one here is 63.
Well, we got a great mooring here.
I do.
This is perfect. Oh, look at him go, eh? He knows his way around. He's going to sail right in there. After picking up a town mooring and calling into Customs Border Protection to report our new location, we called Old Port Marine, who for a modest fee picked us up and took us into Newport. We didn't know quite what to expect in town, but were pleasantly surprised to find an easy walk along Thames Street brought us to a small, quiet restaurant that served us one of the best meals of our trip.
Yeah, between the oysters, that's us.
Yes, there's lots of Indians here.
So Newport, here we come. Oh, it's funny, after reading all those books, and I feel like I know all about the Deerfoot. I guess that's the 64, that's the small one. Or I think maybe there's a 60 also.
The following day we inflated our dinghy and toured the extensive mooring field, circling to admire every type of sailing vessel imaginable. Many we had only seen in magazines, such as the 2 oysters we were moored between. Walking uphill from the waterfront, there's a fascinating array of grand homes and gardens, culminating with Vanderbilts Breakers on Easton Bay that is open to tour. This perfectly preserved mansion, complete with original furniture and family photographs, allows a glimpse into the Vanderbilts' family life in the post-Civil War Gilded Age.
Well, let's go have a look at Coronet.
Walking back to the dinghy dock late in the afternoon, we stopped to view the classic yacht Coronet, under restoration at the International Yacht Restoration School. It's a fascinating work in progress, with every piece of the vessel's original equipment indexed, tagged, and awaiting refurbishment, while the hull is being reconstructed to original specifications from the keel up.